The skin loses essential nutrients every year. As a result, signs of aging appear. Your skin loses firmness, looks creased, and the complexion becomes dull. After years of research in cell biology, Dr. Tordman, a French aesthetic doctor, invented a unique injectable poly-revitalizing formula that provides the skin with the essential nutrients needed to function properly. In 1978, following this invention, Filorga, the first French laboratory in aesthetic medicine, was born, and it then designed injectables used by leading aesthetic medicine specialists. In order to make their expertise available to everyone, Filorga laboratories have drawn inspiration from their original poly-revitalizing formula to create SenCEF. Incorporated into the product's core formula, this unique encapsulation technology diffuses into the skin a precise combination of hyaluronic acid and essential nutrients used in injections to activate cellular mechanisms and fight the signs of aging. With the support of our scientific committee of experts, aesthetic doctors and dermatologists, we select the best active ingredients inspired by aesthetic medicine to provide skincare products that deliver visible results in 7 days. Most of our active ingredients are from natural or biotechnological origin. They are carefully selected based on their targeted action on the signs of aging. Our formulators draw on their French savoir-faire to develop high-performance products with sensorial textures that are respectful to the skin. Filorga, the first French laboratory in aesthetic medicine. Stimulate your skin's natural cellular mechanisms every day to fight the signs of aging.